Today we'll be learning how to draw a bunny with a carrot. I'm going to start with the eyes. Just two medium-sized circles. Then let's add in the highlights. One medium circle, and then a small circle. Let's fill this one in. Same thing on the other side, a medium circle, and a small circle. And fill it in. Once you're done with that, we can add the little cute nose. There's going to be a little triangle here. And the lips is going to be a line in the middle. And a U out. And a U on the other side. Now we can draw the head. It's going to be from here. We're going to go all the way down. For one side of the head. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to stop right here because we're going to actually have the carrot there. I'm going to draw a line to complete it to there. Save some room for the carrot. And we're just going to add a line right here for the side of the carrot. And then we're going to add the hair. It's going to be a curve right here. And one more tuft up here, a small one. With that being done, we're going to move over to the ears. It's going to be starting from here, all the way up. You want to go down. Up again. And connect. Let's move into the details. We're going to add a line from here to here and repeat that on the bottom. Repeat the same thing on the other side. We're going to go up, down, loop up again to here and connect. And we just need to add the two line details. One right here, one on the other side. With the head complete, we can move over to the carrot. We're just going to start from this point, add a U like that. Now let's draw the first foot. It's going to be a line like this. Three toes, all the way down. And then the little hand right here. It's going to be an oval. And then to complete the carrot, we're going to go up to this point. And let's just add the cap. And then finally, let's add the leafy part. Of the top of the carrot. You want to draw a line down the middle right here. These two Y's. And your carrot's coming along. Now to detail the carrot, we're just going to add lines across. And let's do 2 more. And then let's draw the other foot. We're gonna draw this foot onto this side. Just gonna go draw the toes first by drawing 2 or 3 mountain shapes, and then we connect it with the bottom of the foot. And then we could just draw the butt with a line like this. And let's draw the other arm coming out, back in. Now let's draw a little line to separate the arm from the body. And then a circle for the belly of the rabbit. And then we could add the little foot details. It's just going to be an oval right here. And 3 small circles. Same thing on the other side. An oval. And 3 small circles. Let's add some blush on the rabbit. We're just gonna do 1 blush and a little bit on the other side. And there you have it, your cute rabbit drawing. Now let's add a little bit of color. And there we are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.